Hi, this is Milan Gaming 96. Today I'm going to show you how to install the PS3 controller on your PC and test the PS3 controller on the PS3 emulator. We are at the help configuration page of the PS3 emulator. As you can see, there's a link to download the DualShock 3 driver, and up here you have a table of the official Sony driver. Uh, the thing is that this driver doesn't have any Bluetooth connectivity and does not support the third-party tools. So we're going to install and download the driver. We're going to save the zip folder. We're going to extract what's on the zip folder. We're going to delete the zip folder. And if you want to uninstall this driver, we can go to the control panel on progress and features. There you can install this driver. So we're going to install this driver. We can install, so press yes, and then press finish. And now I'm going to restart the PC. So I've already restarted the PC. What we need to do right now is to turn off this option of memory integrity. You need to go to Windows settings and to core isolation and turn off this option. If you have any driver incompatibility issues that you will have when you connect the PS3 controller, you need to turn off this option. So we're going to do that right now. It will tell you to restart your device. So we are going to restart again. I've already connected the PS3 controller to the PC. As you can see, there's a system file driver installed on the folder called drivers. If you go to your disk C Windows System 32 and this folder called drivers, you'll see that there's this file that is installed when you connect the PS3 controller to your PC, and it's highlighted here. So if you want to turn on the memory isolation, you need to delete this file and uninstall the Sony official driver. But right now we're going to test the PS3 controller on the PS3 emulator. So I'm going to run the executable. I'm going to check this checkbox and then press continue. I'm going to the pads, and as you can see, the analogs are working well and the triggers are working well. And that's it for today. Have a nice one and see you next time.